So, Jonathan, Aaron, and Trey, they probably actually did correct math with a calculator. What we're deciding is how many decimals should they write down. So now we got to think about our situation and what makes sense. Andy, who would you go with?
I would go with Aaron.
One vote for Aaron, and why?
Because, like normally, what if he only needs like 1 cent, like after $342? So they want to get like, but they don't have to go all the 54.707.
Okay, so you're saying you don't need all of the decimals that Jonathan is showing us. Why do you like 2 of them?
Because, like, what if he needed $343.01?
Okay, so you're thinking that pennies you might need, you might use.
Yeah.
Thank you. Oscar's table, what'd you guys think?
Aaron.
You're voting for Aaron. Why do you like Aaron?
It's kind of like money, like our type of money.
It's kind of like our type of money. In what way is it like our money?
Like after the decimal cents.
After the decimal cent. Sam?
I actually have a question and an answer.
Yes.
For 54707, is that 5,000 for like 54,000?
No, because it's after the decimal, so it's small. It's like parts of a penny.
Alright, and we chose Aaron because Trey's is like rounded off incorrectly to 343.55.
Okay, so Trey's is rounded incorrectly, and why don't you like Jonathan's?
It's not like the U.S. currency.
It's not like U.S. currency. So Aaron is looking like using the correct number of decimals. All right? How many total pounds will Dawson have if he exchanges $50? Okay, we're down at the bottom of page number 5. All right. $50. So dollars equals 50. We have a big formula. Pounds per dollar, or pounds as a function of dollar. Are you ready to write there, Andy?
Yeah.
Equals what was our thing? 622 101. We're going to put in a 50. If his dollars are 50, we're going to put in a 50. So this time Dawson is exchanging $50, and excuse me, and he's going to have a little bit more to add on to that $300. Get your calculators out, please. What is that? What happens when we multiply these 2 numbers and then add it to 300?
$331.10505.
331.10505. Again, calculators do math not knowing how you're going to use that math. So that's the first answer we get, but we're going to round. We're going to round it because how many spots after the decimal do we really want? 2. So here's 1 and here's 2. When you round, you look at the spot right after the one you want to end up with and say, am I going to round up or round off?
You'd round up.
What do we do with this 505? Andy says round up.
6.
Why do we round up?
Because it's 5.
Found 5 and up, round up. So this is going to be 331.1. Nothing changes, but rounding up means we're going to add 1 to whatever was in the hundred spot. So that's going to be 331.11 pounds. So that guy's starting out with 300 pounds, He's bringing $50 that he got for his birthday that he's going to be able to have his spending money on the trip. So 331.11 pounds. All right, next page.
She's going more.
I wonder how far Miss Morell's going to go today.
She's only gonna go to this page.
You think she might be done?
Yeah, I think she's done. I can read her mind. Right
You
now.
can read her mind, okay? Maybe we'll stop and give you more time to work on packet. It is homecoming this weekend, right? We should get ahead on that homework. Right now, you can go ahead, return calculators, return books, and get out that homework packet.
Louise,